Alright, so first thing I'm gonna take this off. 8mm. Loosen this bad boy. Alright, grab that. Make sure you got a good hold of it. That way you don't want that rubber to break. Pop that off. Here. Okay, well let's just lift it up. Okay. Tilt it. I had to clean that out. Alright, now you can be able to reach over here in this corner. Where my hand is right here is a light bulb. Put that out there. Gasket looks good. Take the O one out. So I'm turning it that way. And when I turn it that way, you gotta pull it straight out. Then you see the wires right there. You can take a flathead and gently pry against it. How do you want to do that? I'm gonna see if I can do it with my hands first. I'm gonna push against that plastic to lift up, and then I'm gonna wiggle it out just like that. Alright, so when we put the new one back in, we're gonna have to be able to turn it. Alright, opposite way we got it. Was this a good one or a bad one?
I don't know which side it is, that's all.
Then you'll have one good one and an extra. Alright, I'm not gonna touch that portion at all. I'm just gonna snap that place. I'll make sure it's flush, no blue is showing. If blue is showing, then water and corrosion, all that stuff will get inside of it. I'm gonna look for the hole, put it back in the hole, and I'm gonna stand it straight up, and I'm gonna push it that way. Which from it would be counterclockwise. Alright, so I push it counterclockwise, it turned. There, it's on, it's in there. And then I'm gonna do the other one, then we'll check the bulbs. And after we check the bulbs, then I will install this back. So on this one, hand angle. Alright, this one I force directly down, which would be clockwise. I shimmied it out, make sure you do not drop it, had a good grip on it. Come in. It's going to be the opposite of that side, so I'm going to go counterclockwise to be able to pull it out. So I pulled it out. I don't like how this turned. Oh, you can tell this one's a bad one, you see these? Alright, so what I'm going to do is the same thing with the other side. I'm going to gently pry against it and make sure it comes out evenly. This is a bad one, so I don't care about that one. I'm going to grab this, make sure you don't touch that part. Just line it up. Pop it, make sure no blue is showing. And then make sure from there, I'm gonna go from the bottom where it stands up. And after it stands up, I'm gonna turn it. stood it straight up, and then I turned it counterclockwise. So now that's in there. So now check the lights for me. Boom, good. Good, yep, both on. Now it's time to put it back. So now what we're gonna do, alright. Counterclockwise. I went clockwise to be able to loosen it. Now you can see the brackets about clockwise or counterclockwise, it'll be able to grip it. When you do it, make sure it's even. Make sure no glue is showing at all, because you don't want no moisture inside of it. So I just put it on, I felt around it, and I could feel that there was gasket, so I could read this back. I know it's evenly done. Blue feels flushed, so that one's a good one. This one's still pretty good. So it's always good to keep your good ones and just put them in a certain place in your trunk. That way, if your light goes out, you don't have to deal with nothing. But you have a spare in the trunk. All right, let's put this bad boy back on. Same thing as the other one. I'm gonna place it in where it's flush. Then I'm gonna go down counter. Make sure I don't see no blue lines and make sure there's no gap to allow moisture in. Alright, now let's put this bad boy on. I'm gonna move this wire down here. It's a ground wire. It's down here. Is for the turning signal. I'm gonna make sure it's not in the way. I'm gonna make sure that everything down here is flushed. Against it. There you go. So any other wires, make sure that it's flush on this side. Alright, it's flushed down. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in now. Well, I know it's flushed down, so there's no so I'm just like to triple check. Alright. No movement. Great. I'll make sure I grab here. Have a good hold on it. I always go from bottom and I pop up to the top and I shimmy. Okay, make sure that's in. Make sure that's flushed properly. Nothing. Alright, great. I want this on, I want it tight, but not too tight. Because the suction of the air is gonna grab and pull anyway. So that's tight enough. I don't want to over tighten it. Alright. That is how you change it.